The hippos spend their days in the water, conserving energy. That plume of mist is warm air condensing in the cool morning. The young cub, still learning the ways of the hunt, finds amusement in a simple stick. As the cub scales the acacia, the mother remains alert. Survival in the savanna depends on mastering these crucial skills early on. The elusive Javan rhinoceros, one of the rarest large mammals on Earth, captured here in the soft light of sunset.
The stillness of the caiman belies its predatory intent, a constant danger for the unsuspecting canvasback ducks.
With its striking golden crest and vibrant red throat patch, the gray-crowned crane surveys its surroundings, ever watchful for predators.
Built for speed, these magnificent birds traverse the harsh savanna, searching for scarce vegetation. As the dry season bites, the springboks begin their epic trek across the shimmering grasslands towards the distant lake. The male lion, a symbol of power, lets out a warning huff, asserting his dominance over the road as the evening approaches. The meerkat stands sentinel, ever vigilant, scanning the bright blue sky for any sign of aerial predators. Perched high above the plains, the old male waits for the cool embrace of the evening.
Born survivors, these magnificent birds thrive in the open plains, their powerful legs adapted for the journey.
As the sun dips lower, the massive herd presses onward, a journey dictated by the ancient rhythms of the Serengeti. A bustling colony of fur seals finds refuge on this rugged shore, their numbers swelling as they return from the sea.
These magnificent birds engage in a complex social display, intertwining their necks before gently clattering their specialized beaks.
In the harsh midday sun, the hyena takes a much-needed drink, ever watchful for rivals. The white-naped crane steps delicately through the dry grassland, its keen eyes scanning for insects and seeds hidden beneath the stalks. Scattered across the vast reddish-brown sands, this herd of dromedaries moves slowly, seeking the vital moisture held within these resilient shrubs. Here we see the dominant male Hamadryas baboon, identifiable by his distinctive silver mane and curved tail. The great herds continue their timeless journey across the arid plains, led by the matriarchs. A fragile truce at the watering hole, where Hamadryas baboons and the lone warthog must set aside their differences for a life-sustaining drink. As we gently drift above the awakening plains, the magnificent tapestry of the savanna unfolds below. A truly remarkable sight. The herd moves as one, navigating the currents of the wide river, ensuring the safety of the young calves. Here we see the massive scale of the African elephant herd as they spread along the vast sandy banks of the river. The black rhinoceros, a critically endangered species, rests during the heat of the day. With its striking markings and impressive horns, the solitary oryx moves gracefully across the arid plains, a symbol of resilience in the golden light.